It takes a lot of money to build up a real estate portfolio, and all it takes is for someone to like trip and fall on your property, and you can get that property taken away from you if you're not properly covered. So, what are some insurances that real estate investors should be looking at to not only protect their properties but also themselves?
So, the structure of the entity that holds the real estate would be one consideration when you're talking about risk. So, to me, the word insurance is interchangeable with the word risk, whether you're going to retain the risk, transfer the risk, or avoid the risk. Ultimately, when you can't stay away from it or retain it, as in like, oh, I have a deductible on a policy, you've got to transfer it. So what are the ways to transfer it? That would be the title of the property. That would be making sure that you and or a tenant have adequate liability coverage, adequate physical property coverage. And then over the top, personally, you would definitely want to know that if anything were to go awry, as in someone slip and fall on a sidewalk, or have a ceiling collapse on them, have a fire in a building, or have a flood in a building. And by the way, all of those things I've experienced firsthand. So what comes on the back end with insurance is knowing what you have covered, and more importantly, what is not covered, because that exclusion part of any sort of insurance, or the exclusion part of, okay, the type of entity I set up as a sole proprietorship. What do I get out of that structure versus what do I get as an LLC?